is attorney Sarah Holmes of Holmes Business Law PC. We are a business and trademark law firm located in Philadelphia and the suburbs. Today, myself and my trusty office assistant, Paul, we are talking about commercial leasing. And one question we get from clients is, what goes in a letter of intent for a commercial lease? Now, often when someone is going to rent commercial space for the first time, they may have seen a space through a broker or maybe through the landlord themselves. And at the end of the tour of the property, the person may say, well, if you're interested, send a letter of intent, or LOI for short. Often, if it's the first time leasing space, they have no idea what goes into a letter of intent and aren't really sure where to start. We draft these all the time for clients. We can also review them for clients, but if you're going to draft one yourself, you want to have some critical terms in the LOI. So number one would obviously be the price that you are offering to pay for the space. In commercial leasing, that's often expressed as a price per square foot, not necessarily as a dollar amount per month. But you can do it either way. You also want to submit to the landlord what type of term you're looking at, whether you're willing to sign a 3-year lease or 5-year lease. For most business owners, we recommend a 3-year lease because 5 is a really long time to lock yourself up as a new business. A lot of things can happen, and in 5 years, you may need to expand or move to a different type of space. So sometimes we recommend people start with a 3-year lease. You also want to put in there what things are going to be included. If this is a gross net, if this is a gross lease where extra charges are included, or if it's a triple net, such as you'd be paying property insurance and taxes and maintenance separately. Also, any other types of things you want to ask for up front. Do you want to ask for a few months of free rent? Do you need to do a build out? Do you want the landlord to cover some of the build out? Things like that. Those are all terms that can go in a letter of intent. Also, when you want to start the lease, if that's, next month, 2 months from now, whenever you want to do that. And then you sign it, and it's typically non-binding, but it's a way to kick off negotiations and at least show the landlord or the broker that you're serious about starting and possibly entering into the commercial lease. Of course, if you need help drafting an LOI, reviewing or drafting a commercial lease, feel free to reach out to our office. Our number is 215-482-0285. Thanks.